Towards left. Tag number 378, Prashant Lama from Uttarakhand. Tag number 379, Nilesh Dagde from Maharashtra. Tag number 442, Nitin Chandalia from Haryana. And tag number 454, K. Senthil Kumar from Andhra Pradesh. Gentlemen, starting with your 4 poses. Pose number 1, front double bicep together, up. And relax, relax, relax. Moving to pose number 3, your side chest, any side chest. Flex. Relax, relax, relax. Gentlemen, please turn around now. Your back, double bicep. All together. Up.
Hip दबा, ये दबा, hip दबा. Good. Hip दबा कर, बस, good.
And relax, 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 gentlemen. Please face the judges now. Pose number 7. Your abdominal thighs all together. Up. And relax. Relax. Relax, gentlemen, relax. You must step back, gentlemen. Please stand according to your numbers.
पूरा प्रयास है खिलाड़ियों को बेहतरीन सुविधा दी गई है। तमाम की चैंपियनशिप जानी जाती है इंडियन बॉडी बिल्डर्स फेडरेशन के लिए प्रतिष्ठा के रूप में।
368, please step forward. 368, please step forward. Turn number 454, please step forward. Center of the stage, center of the stage. Thank you. You must step back, please. You must step back. Thank you. We have the final 5 finalists in this category. Tag number 368, please step forward. Tag number 376, please step forward. Tag number 379, please step forward. Tag number 441, please step forward. And tag number 442, please step forward. These are the final 5 finalists in the above 100 kilogram weight category. Rest of the athletes, please step forward. The selected 5, please step backwards. Devinder, ask them to stop. Now these 5, please ask them to stand behind. Rest of the athletes, please come forward. Okay, thank you. Thank you, gentlemen, for the participation. Better luck next time. You may retire to the green room now. Okay, the final 5 athletes, please step forward now. Okay, gentlemen, we will be conducting your 7 compulsory poses. Starting with pose number 1, your front double bicep together, up. pose number 2. Relax. 441. Relax. Moving to pose number 2. Your front leg spread. All together. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Please turn towards any one of your side for pose number 3. Your side chest. Any side chest. Together. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Please turn around for pose number 4. Your back double biceps. Together. Up. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. We move on to pose number 5. Your back leg spread. All together. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Please turn towards any one of your side for pose number 6. Your side tricep. Any side tricep. Together. Flex. Relax. Relax, gentlemen. Please face the judges now. Your final pose. Pose number 7. Your abdomen with thighs. Together. Up. And relax. Relax, gentlemen. Relax. Stage marshals, entertain them. And to give away the fourth prize, may I request Mr. Rajesh from Chhattisgarh to please come in the center of the stage. And may I request Mr. Surinder from Haryana to please join in the felicitation of the fourth prize. And the fourth position in this category goes to tag number 368, Mukesh Chaudhary. Thank you. To give away the bronze medal in this category, may I request Mr. Bala Murugan from Tamil Nadu, along international judge, along with Mr. bodybuilder, along with Mr. Anand Nandi Haryana, to please come in the center of the stage. And the bronze medal in this category goes to tag number 379, Nilesh Dagade from Maharashtra. Thank you. And to give away the silver medal in this category, may I request Mr. Mahesh Gande and Mr. Sachin Patil from Maharashtra to please come in the center of the stage. And the silver medal in this category goes to tag number 376, Javed Ali Khan from Hyderabad Promotion Board. Thank you. And now may I request the Honorable Vice President of the Indian Bodybuilders Federation, Shri Anup Singh Ji and Mrs. Tulsi Sujan, along with, please keep silence, along with our Guru Mata, Mrs. Nirmal Tegla, to please come in the center of the stage. And the gold medal, the Mr. India in above 100 kg weight category goes to tag number 442, Nitin Chandila from Haryana.
Mr. Arsu